This gray-striped duck is named Tang. It was taken to this primate rescue center when it was 3 months old. Like most of its friends here, Tang was rescued from the illegal wildlife trade. The poachers captured it when it was very little.
They've all lost their parents. They remind me of so many unlucky human kids out there. They have to be raised here for 4 to 5 years before they can be released into a semi-wilderness zone. Only then can they regain their wild instincts in order to survive in the actual wilderness.
The release of wildlife at Cuc Phuong National Park has been promoted in recent years, but this is the first time residents and visitors have been allowed to observe the process.
This is a great experience for everyone here. Each person might feel different about it, but they'll all treasure freedom a little more after this event.
92 wild animals and 17 species were released in this batch. However, people can only observe the release of certain species. Other animals like the pythons and king cobra areas are restricted.
Cuc Phuong National Park has tried to consolidate activities to strengthen forest protection. With our recent achievements, we now want to develop tourism services based on wildlife release.
Every year, Cuc Phuong National Park received about 500 to 700 wild animals. This number has increased sharply in the past 2 years. According to a representative of the park, the rate of post-release survival is 95% to 98%.